you'll always have Paris.
And sets that look just like it. Because this is Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. Sure, watching your favorite movies and TV shows is fun, but seeing where they're made, more fun! Like how we turned summer in Hollywood into winter in New York. Hey, Sam, what are you up to?
I'm just showing them one of my all-time favorite sets.
Oh my.
Gilmore Girls. To the Batcave. Take a ride on the Dark Knight side. Learn how classic gags are produced.
Colin, what's up, man? What are you showing?
He's acting. Walk, stand, and sit in the exact same places as some of your favorite stars. Pivot. Pivot! Get closer to the entertainment you love at Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. Buy your tickets today.